Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the why money is so important for women's. So let's get into the video. First of all, how many women have you seen happy by just staying in the home behind the curtains, like front on the stage everyone is so perfect, so nice, everything is so beautiful, but behind the curtains, do you know the reality of a house? The woman who don't go out, who don't have any like stability on her own, who is so much dependent on her spouse. Have you guys know what that woman is going through? And especially in Indian society, women who don't earn treated like a servant in her own house, and not only just by men's, also by the women who earn money. There's two women in the house, one is earning and the other one is not earning. The woman who is earning the money will treat the other woman like a servant. People will treat her like she doesn't even exist. Her point of view won't even matter to anyone. Making money on your own is not only about putting your point in something. It is also about your happiness, also about you are not dependent on someone else for your own needs. Women do everything for everyone in the house, no matter what the person do to her, what the other person do for her, that doesn't matter. But the women will do everything for everyone, and still no one will acknowledge her. No one, until or unless you are earning, like not even in-laws, not even your parents, not your siblings, not your cousins, not your husband, not your partner, not your children's. Even your children's will be feel like what is she does all day in home. No, nobody will give a damn about what you do all day in the house, or and you are spending 24/7 for those peoples who don't even acknowledge what you do for them. On repeat, you are doing unpaid labor for them, for those people who don't even give a damn what do you do for them. You cook their favorite food, you clean for them, you wash their clothes, you press their clothes, you wake up early, you sleep late, you take care of everyone, no matter if you are sick, right? If you take one day sick, like you don't even have a leave when you are a housewife and you're not earning, but still if you felt like once in a month that no, I'm not feeling well, everyone will know in the house that you do nothing, and they will tell everyone that this woman does nothing, she is useless. And when you do something for everyone, there is no one to acknowledge you. There is no one who will say that, yeah, wow, she's a great woman, she do a lot for us, we should also do something for her, she is such a hardworking woman, she is always around us taking care of us. No, these people don't give a damn about you. And when you go out from the damn house and start earning money, every woman who earn money can relate to this. Like the surroundings, the environment change like this, like this. I have an example for it. I know someone who was just a housewife, and she have a son, and she used to stay home, do everything for everyone. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, including her, 7 people in the house, and she used to do everything for everyone, but no one acknowledged her, and she was not even able to buy something for her, like to eat, to wear for her son. She was not, because she doesn't have that money for her or for her son. She didn't have that. She wasn't able to do anything. She can only wear what the family bought to her. She will only eat what her family bought to in the house. There was no any other choice. And the day she started going out and making money, like, that doesn't matter the amount, like that doesn't matter, amount doesn't matter in this. When she go out and earn money, That woman doesn't even ask a single person what she going to buy, what she's going to eat. No, she is getting what she want. She is getting what her sons want. She is doing everything. She don't give a damn what other people say. She is earning, and that's her own money, and she is using her money the way she wants. It's not only about that, it's also about freedom. Men have made that situation that where women start thinking like, if I am earning money, this is the only way I can be free. Because when women's life were like used to stay at home and do everything for everyone, no one acknowledged them. And the man is not even making enough money to provide food on the table. He is still a very hardworking man, and he is doing everything for everyone. He is very strong. He is trying very hard. He is a hustler. He is providing his family so much. We have seen a lot of the concept behind the curtains. You never know what is going behind the curtains, or what a woman is going through. Like, she must, I don't know, a woman can handle hell, and still she stand up like she's nothing. Everything is so great. The kind of abusive man in this world is so disaster. Men's are like, they think like, if they are providing not enough, not enough, and still they be feel like they have the independent, like they have the freedom to hit a woman, and they take women as their own property. They treat them like, this woman is my property, and I can treat my property the way I want. Men don't treat women like a human being. They treat women like a property. And when a woman gets the stability, like she get independence, financially independent, that woman get the ability to leave that abusive situation in the moment. And that is what most of the men are afraid of. When women get out of their house and make money and show what she can really do, better than anyone, better than men, she can be better than the man who is the fake provider. That's when she get recognition from everyone. And for that recognition, you should be go out from your house and start hustling. Seen lots of women staying in the house, and no one listen to that woman. No one. Her opinion doesn't even exist in the house. All she has to do is suppress her emotions, suppress her point of view. She can't say anything. She can't give any opinion. And when you get the ability to earn, you get the ability to interfere. You get the ability to say what is wrong or what is right. You get the ability to say no, what is happening to you in a bad way. You get the ability to leave when you get independent. You get the ability to stay alone. You get the ability to do everything on your own. And this is not only about money, this is about freedom. Because in women's mind, for freedom, all they have to do is earn money. Because this is what the society tell them. Because if you are an independent woman, if you are earning money, people will listen to you. And if you are doing nothing, staying home and doing everything for other people, you are nothing. Don't talk to us. You don't even exist. You are a servant. And if you are earning money, come ma'am, sit. Give us your opinion. You are so important because you are earning money for yourself, and the other woman is a servant. What do you do for other people's? What do you think? What will you get? What do you expect? You will only get insult. Nothing. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will come back tomorrow with something new or something more interesting. And yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.